Welcome. Today we're diving into a new update on Pinterest that allows you to enable notifications for collages of the pins you publish. If you want to stay updated on your creative output, follow these simple steps to activate this feature on your PC. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the gear icon located in the left side menu. This icon represents your settings and is the gateway to customizing your Pinterest experience. After clicking the gear icon, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can adjust various preferences related to your account. Now, focus on the Notifications section. Here, you'll find options that allow you to manage how and when Pinterest communicates with you about your activity. Under the Notifications tab, look for the category labeled Pins You Published. This section is crucial because it contains settings specific to the pins you've created. Click on Collages within this category. This is where the magic happens. You will see an option to enable push notifications for your collages. By turning this feature on, you ensure that Pinterest will send you notifications whenever someone interacts with your collage pins. After enabling it, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for collages of the pins you've published on Pinterest. With this feature activated, you'll be able to receive real-time updates and engagement insights, helping you stay connected with your audience and track how your creative content is performing. Remember, keeping your notifications tailored to your preferences can enhance your overall experience on Pinterest. So take a moment to explore other notification settings as well, ensuring you're only receiving updates that matter most to you. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy creating and sharing your collages on Pinterest, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and updates in the future.